Hello YouTubers, welcome to Holpole Sunshine Coast Railway channel. It's Holpole speaking. Well, what do you see in front of you here? This is number 1145. It's a white metal kit of a D1 Southern Railway loco. And I got it off Hatton's second-hand section. It was advertised as a non-runner, and it was a little bit expensive, but I think you will agree with me, it's been beautifully put together. So I took a punt and paid my money, waited 2 weeks, and the loco arrived in the post, and true to the description, it was a non-runner. Fortunately, I still have a couple of people that I can call on who have expertise in this area. One gentleman who lives 3 hours drive from here, he has 4th stage Parkinson's, so he's unable to really help me, but he did have a friend who was able to have a look at it for me. And also my friend Steve has another friend who's a Great Western addict, but he's an expert at building white metal and locos and sorting out their problems. He got it, and apparently it's from a DJH Kit, but the motor inside it is actually an old K's motor. K's used to have these white metal kits years ago. There's still quite a few in circulation. You can still even buy original unmade models if you look for them on eBay. But not many people actually want to do that sort of thing nowadays, and haven't got the skill to do it. I haven't. I wish I had. So she's been beautifully put together. Anyway, the motor's been sorted out. There was a problem with the brushes and the springs in the brushes. They've been put together, and now she's running very well. Now my friend Steve, who tested it on his track, said, oh, it's not running too well. Now I've had her on my DCC/DC circuit, and she's running very, very nicely. I've actually got to drive her. I just can't leave it on the one setting. She needs a little bit of a boost in the electricity going round corners to get around, but nevertheless I can run her, and she's looking very, very nice on the Barkman and Birdcage Crimson set, which you can see behind her. So I'm going to show you her going round. I hope you enjoy the clip. It shouldn't be too long, just to show you an unusual loco. As you know, the old Hornby Trying did have the L1440, their version, many years ago. It hasn't been in production for a long time. Once a year I sort of say a little prayer before Hornby announce their program for the year, in the vain hope they'll reintroduce it, even if it was in their railroad range, but so far no luck. Never mind. I've got this one now, and being a Southern fan, as you all know I am, it's great to have her running round with these Birdcage coaches. So, okay, that's all from me. If you need to know anybody, this is a D1. The old Trying version was the L1. There's not a lot of difference between them. In fact, the only difference between them is this one hasn't got a side cab window and the L1s have. But they are they were very, very fast engines. They had 6'8" drivers, and in their day they could easily, do 70, 80 miles an hour if they needed to. Anyway, I'll push off for now. Let you see her running around on the circuit, and upload it for you, and you can comment as you please. Once again, I say thank you very, very much for your support in watching my videos. For those of you who don't know, I have got a Facebook page where I put up little 10-20 second clips that you don't see in my videos, a few photographs and that sort of thing. So if you want to have a look at that, it's on Holpole's Sunshine Coast Model Railway page, and hope you can support me there too. Alright, TTFN, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next clip. Bye for now.